Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. The present revision petition arises out of a dispute between a landlord and his tenant. Full stop. At the very threshold, comma, it is necessary to note the facts briefly. Full stop. The petitioner initiated proceedings alleging that the respondent had failed to comply with his obligation under the lease agreement. Full stop. If it is established that there was non-payment of rent, comma, the consequence in law would follow against the tenant. Full stop. The pleadings disclose that there was a default on the part of the respondent in respect of the monthly payments due under the tenancy. Full stop. At this juncture, comma, it may be mentioned that a statutory notice had been issued, but the demand was not satisfied. Full stop. The record reveals substantial arrears of rent had accumulated over time, and a communication was sent intimating the tenant of the breach. Full stop. Despite this, comma, the default continued for several consecutive months. Full stop. On receipt of the statutory demand, comma, the tenant merely contested liability without tendering payment. Full stop. The defense taken was that partial indebtedness existed, but not to the extent claimed. Full stop. The trial court, comma, after evaluating the evidence found in favor of the petitioner. Full stop. The appellate court, comma, however, comma, reversed the finding, holding that the default was not deliberate. Full stop. We have heard learned counsel on both sides. Full stop. The petitioner relies upon section 111 of the Transfer of Property Act, comma, urging that termination of lease on the ground of non-payment stands valid in law. Full stop. The respondent argues that at this stage, comma, equity demands a lenient view. Full stop. According to him, comma, procedural safeguards should be respected before any order of eviction is passed. Full stop. This court finds that the reasoning adopted by the appellate authority cannot be sustained. Full stop. The approach adopted overlooks settled legal principles and ignores the evidence which had been correctly appreciated by the trial judge. Full stop. It is settled that statutory obligations cannot be diluted merely by raising a dispute without substance. Full stop. The appellate order, comma, therefore, comma, is liable to be struck down. Full stop. While interference is warranted, comma, the court must also balance the equities. Full stop. Tenancy matters often involve the court, livelihood, and shelter, and any harsh consequence must be tempered with fairness. Full stop. Accordingly, comma, this court directs that possession of the premises shall be made available to the petitioner within a specified period. Full stop. Time of 3 months is granted to the respondent to vacate, comma, subject to clearing all outstanding dues within 1 month. Full stop. Failure to comply with these directions will entitle the petitioner to execute the decree forthwith. Full stop. Compliance report shall be filed by the executing court. Full stop. एंड ओवर। सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशन। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।